What's going on, guys? DePayFrom Ray here. We're actually shooting this one in reverse. So I just wrapped up the workout. So enjoy this vlog. This is vlog number, we'll call this number 1 because we're restarting the series, the YouTube channel, everything. So vlog number 1. Started off the workout. We started off with 10 by 2 on squats. I'm playing with programming, so before it's programmed at 315, but now it's at, I added, so at 335, 10 sets of 2. It's kind of a grinder today. And then deads at 275 for 6 by 6. No accessories today just because I had to get out of here kind of quick. I actually have a game night tonight, so maybe we'll get some clips of that. But stay tuned for the rest of this vlog, guys, and thanks for tuning in to DePayFrom Ray. We're back from the gym. Just about to get a quick little meal in. Nothing serious, nothing super duper fancy. Just a little bit of chicken and rice here. Got a little bit of a vinaigrette salad dressing on the chicken just because why not. But yeah, about to get this quick little meal in, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm on my way to the game night. So see you guys in a little bit.
Great friends, even better memories tonight, you guys. I love you all. I love you guys.
So this what y'all like?
Left foot green.
This what you guys like?
What's going on, guys? It's another day now. DePayFrom Ray here. Let me turn this AC off. Probably a little loud. Turn off the car too. Alright. What's going on, guys? DePayFrom Ray here. It's another day. Game night was pretty fun. Got home a little late. I think I have some clips of that before this, and they're probably from Snapchat because I forgot my camera. But anyway, game night was fun. It's another day. I'm at the gym. It is 6:47. My client and me were meeting in a few minutes, so maybe I'll take you along for a little bit of that. But welcome to another day of the vlog, guys. What's going on, guys? So we're back from the gym. Pretty much just gonna wrap the vlog up here. We're outside, we're in my backyard. Figured might as well change it up. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is vlog number 1 of our restart of the vlogs. So thanks for tuning in, guys. And there's gonna be another video because actually tonight I'm gonna be going to the gym again for me, not for training. And we'll shoot some stuff, so that'll make its way in. So thanks for tuning in, guys. DePayFrom Ray. I'll catch you.